go for a walk. Come on, Cookie. Cookie, come on, decide. Ay, hindi na umiilaw yung kay Cookie, my love. Your key?
I know, that's okay. We can use that.
Okay. Okay then. The girls, ayan, si Cookie. Because we ate a lot. I ate a lot. Super full. Fried tilapia. Sa kanila is ground beef. Yung ground beef na may patatas na may ano, what's this? Carrots. And then I mix with a boiled egg. Hard boiled egg. Come on, Cookie. Let's go. Minudo ba? Minudo kasi mula mo may hotdog, may raisins. Meron. May atay pa nga.
Maybe sa Iloilo.
Cookie girl. Ay, biscuit.
There's minced meat, potato and carrots normally.
Yeah. So, ano? Yes. That's different from, ano yun eh? Ano tawag doon? Yung may saba na saging?
Menudo.
No, it's not menudo. There's a menu for that muna mo. Tito Mami Chula.
Menudo.
Menudo, visit. O sige na, mamaya naman. Kulit naman sa asawa ko. Bye.